All right, guys, so day one of wheat harvest is gonna start here this afternoon. Getting everything ready this morning. Uh, yeah, we're gotta wait for stuff to dry off a little bit from the dew, but once that happens, we'll be able to get going after lunch. Didn't really go the greatest. We got seatbelt. Got about 25 acres, 30 acres ran or so. What we hand shelled earlier is kind of a test. The moisture meter said it was 12.2. Once we got out into the field a ways today, moisture is more like 16. Good morning, everybody. Day after the first day of wheat harvest. We got a pretty good dew on the ground, so we can't run any wheat right now. What we're gonna do instead is we gotta fill our tender truck up with our fertilizer for corn. The corn's at the point right now where it could use another shot of nitrogen to get it through the end of the season. Got some rain coming, supposedly the rest of this week, on and off, so it'd be good to get the fertilizer down there so the corn can soak it up, and yeah, get to see some stuff that you haven't seen before, like this guy. Storm is just about got the mangi emptied out. The mangi is our side dress tool and cover crop seeder. Has a Montag dry delivery system, air system on it, on a Haggy sprayer. So Montag, Haggy, mangi, makes sense. So gonna take the tender truck to Storm, get him loaded up so he can keep rolling. I don't know. No, he's full blown running right now. Yeah. Cool. So it took us quite a bit longer than we expected. The older combine had a hydraulic hose leak on it, so we only got to run the new combine in this field. 70 acres was only supposed to take us a few hours, but we got her finished up finally, and we're about done with the first wheat field of harvest 2020. Another load of wheat headed out of the field. That's a wrap for today. I got this first field done, and hopefully tomorrow it'll rain so we don't get excited about running wet wheat, and everything else can get a drink like it needs. We're really needing some water now. So the corn and the soybeans need it pretty bad, although the wheat doesn't need it. So yeah, you win-lose situation. But I guess right now we'd rather have the rain for the corn and the soybeans, because they're looking
no phone
pretty rough.
connected.
Stupid truck.